Welcome to eProlo Academy. Today we're going to talk about the standard procedure for exceptional customer service. Providing outstanding customer service is vital for enhancing satisfaction and driving loyalty. In this video, we'll explore essential steps and best practices that create memorable customer experiences. Let's dive in. Setting goals in customer service is crucial as it provides clarity and direction for the team, making sure that everyone in the team understands the desired outcomes. However, setting goals is not only about writing your goals down, but also about clarifying the specific tasks at different stages and involving your service team in the discussion. Let's start by defining core objectives. These are the foundation of everything your team does. Make sure your objectives align with your company's overall goals. For example, objectives might include reducing negative reviews or lowering the service costs. Clear objectives help your team knows what they're working towards. Once your objectives are set, use the SMART principle to make them more focused. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, if your goal is to reduce response time, a SMART goal might be to lower it from 24 hours to 12. You can measure this using customer service software. Keep it achievable by adding tools like chatbots, relevant because faster responses increase customer satisfaction, and time-bound by setting a 30-day deadline. It's important to monitor performance regularly using KPIs like average handle time and customer satisfaction scores. This will help you identify areas for improvement and ensure you're on track. Lastly, don't forget to share your goals with your team and involve them in the process. When your team understands their goals, they will work together more effectively. The second step is to identify customer touchpoints. Optimizing these touchpoints is crucial as they shape the customer's experience and impression of your brand. Here are 3 ways to identify and improve them. First, examine the customer's shopping process. The journey starts with discovering products, often through promotional emails, making email the first touchpoint. Sending targeted emails with your latest products can raise awareness and make you a preferred choice. During product research, customers compare products through Amazon and social media, making these key touchpoints as well. When customers are ready to purchase, direct communication such as phone calls can offer personalized assistance. In post-purchase period, most Amazon sellers tend to use emails for sending setup guides. However, you can consider providing additional phone support for immediate issues. Lastly, feedback from reviews and forums offers insight into how customers perceive your products and brand. By identifying and optimizing these touchpoints, you can enhance your brand's image. Another method is using SWOT analysis to assess the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of each touchpoint. Let's take online chat as the example. Its strength is, it can offer real-time response, which improves satisfaction. But its weakness is that it requires high management effort. Opportunities like automation can improve efficiency, while the threat lies in potential dissatisfaction if responses are slow or inadequate. Use SWOT to evaluate each touchpoint and decide which to optimize. Finally, you can decide on your customer touchpoints with usability testing or A/B testing. Usability testing involves real users interacting with your touchpoints, while A/B testing involves small changes to touchpoints, like adjusting email templates or online chat layouts to measure which version performs better. When designing your tests, focus on key questions, such as how easily users can access contact info and how quickly they receive responses. Besides, make sure that your tests follow Amazon's policies in case of penalties like account suspension. The third step to offer exceptional customer service is to create a customer service delivery flowchart. This chart allows you to provide services that meet customers' needs. The process starts with customer requests. First, when you receive a customer inquiry, assess the service required to determine the best way to proceed. Collect all necessary details and categorize the issues. After understanding the problem, your team should develop an initial solution that addresses the customer's needs. Once the solution is defined, present it to the customer to ensure it aligns with their expectations before implementation. During this phase, maintain communication to provide instant assistance if needed. After delivering the solution, your customer service team should carefully track the outcome. If the issue is resolved, collect feedback from the customer to close the cycle. Listening to customer feedback can enhance satisfaction and support process improvement. However, if the issue persists, your team must continue addressing it until it is fully resolved. That's the overview of customer service delivery. It's more than helping you to figure out the process, but also helping you following standard to check your service quality. Creating a customer service delivery flowchart is not only essential for providing excellent service, but also for helping establish clear standards for your team. The journey begins with customer contact. Let's take an example. You can require your customer service team to respond promptly to inquiries, understand customer needs, and document key details such as the time, channel, and nature of the interaction. Set quality standards, ensuring that respond to customer inquiries within 2 minutes. Misinterpretations occur in less than 5% of cases, and documentation errors remain below 2%. Next is issue identification. This step involves digging deeper to understand the problem fully, asking more questions to get to the root cause, and evaluating how clearly and accurately the issue is defined can be the focus of quality standards. Then comes information collection, where you gather all relevant data about the product, past interactions, and customer feedback. It's crucial to ensure that no important details are missed, and quality checks should confirm that all necessary information is collected thoroughly as it decides whether your solution is effective or not. The following step is issue classification, where you categorize the problem based on predefined criteria to make sure it is handled by the appropriate team or department. Focus on how quickly and accurately the issues are classified, as this leads to effective solutions. When delivering solutions, your team should provide answers that help resolve customer issues, measuring service quality by the speed and effectiveness of these responses. Once the customer accepts the solution, the implementation stage begins. Guide customers with step-by-step instructions and provide immediate support. For quality checks, you can focus on whether the customers are satisfied with the guidance. If the issues are resolved, gather customer feedback to close the service loop. This feedback can be about the product, service, or shopping experience. You can measure service quality based on customer satisfaction and whether the records are accurate or not. However, if the issue is not fully resolved, determine whether escalation is necessary, transferring the inquiry to the appropriate team, such as technical support. When measuring service quality, focus on the team's judgment and how quickly the issue is transferred, as these factors impact customer satisfaction. Once the issue is fully resolved, document the inquiry, including everything from the initial customer request to the final solution, ensuring accurate and timely records for proper tracking. After closing the inquiry, it's important to follow up with the customer to check their satisfaction with the results and collect their feedback further. You can focus on whether the customer service team follows up with the customers in the limited timeline. The next step involves service improvement. By analyzing the inquiry, the customer service team can identify weaknesses during the service and make necessary improvements. Make sure they make the right judgments and improvements. Finally, keep your team's skills sharp by regularly updating their knowledge based on past experiences and customer feedback. You can measure service quality by checking the effectiveness of the training. Many sellers neglect the importance of customer service knowledge management, thinking it is unnecessary. However, having a well-organized knowledge management system is vital for delivering an excellent customer experience. A knowledge management system centralizes and organizes all key information for easy access, allowing the teams to quickly respond to customer inquiries, which significantly improves response time. Faster resolutions not only enhance customer satisfaction, but also increase the likelihood of repeated business. Additionally, by utilizing a knowledge management system, customer service teams can address a broader range of issues without needing to escalate them to specialized departments. This reduces delays and leads to quicker problem solving. Here's a breakdown of what a solid knowledge management system should include. At its core, knowledge management encompasses essential elements like workflow guidelines, customer service standards, and communication skills. Workflow guidelines help teams address customer issues in a consistent and effective manner. Customer service standards are equally important, as they define the quality of service expected from the team. Lastly, communication skills are critical, especially when serving a global marketplace like Amazon. Understanding different customer types, shopping behaviors, and effective ways to handle various customer inquiries is crucial for success. A well-maintained knowledge base is also a cornerstone of successful customer support. This includes FAQs, product manuals, and regulation files. FAQs and product manuals cover troubleshooting, operation methods, and technical documentation. Having this in place helps handle customer inquiries precisely. Moreover, it's important to regularly update regulation files, especially for serving international customers, to stay compliant with ever-changing regulations. Training and continuous development are other essential aspects of knowledge management. Regular training sessions, technical seminars, and learning the latest customer service techniques are necessary. It's also necessary to place your VOC mechanism here, as continuous feedback from customers also helps in refining these skills and approaches. Lastly, tools like customer service templates and CRM systems help organize customer data, track interactions, and ensure timely follow-ups. These tools boost efficiency and keep teams responsive. By implementing proper documentation and knowledge management practices, your customer service team can handle challenges, stay well-informed, and consistently deliver top-notch service. Customer feedback is crucial in e-commerce, especially on Amazon, where customer satisfaction is highly valued. That's why building a mechanism to listen to the voice of the customer is essential. Let's explore how a VOC system works and what you should focus on during the process. The first step is gathering feedback from customers through surveys, reviews, emails, or service interactions. Once gathered, the feedback should be analyzed and categorized into different levels. This helps your team identify similar issues and prepare appropriate solutions beforehand. Here we recommend you categorize feedback into 3 levels. The first level identifies the main customer demand, the second refines that demand, and the third offers more specific details. For example, a customer requesting a return is the first level. If the return is due to a product defect, that becomes the second level, and whether the product was wrong or damaged becomes the third level. Your service team can then offer a solution based on this breakdown. After that, you need to turn the feedback into actionable insights and develop action plans. For example, if customers often mention slow delivery, you can focus on speeding up your fulfillment process. It's important to track these improvements over time, as they may span multiple departments. A useful tip is to visualize the feedback, making it easier to spot the areas that need to be improved and convert complex data into simple graphics. Based on your action plans, you need to execute the action plans and communicate changes to relevant teams. Continuously track the impact of changes on customer satisfaction and behavior. These areas might range from product upgrades to service optimizations. You'll need to pass this feedback to the relevant departments and ensure proper follow-up to track progress. The final step is following up with customers. Once improvements have been made, let customers know you've listened to their feedback and taken action. This not only builds trust, but also shows your commitment to improving their experience. By implementing a VOC system, you create a loop of continuous improvement, where feedback drives actions that lead to better service and higher customer satisfaction. On a platform like Amazon, where reviews and ratings are critical, having a strong VOC system can give you a competitive edge. Crisis management is a vital part of customer service. In e-commerce, potential crises can include system breakdowns, data breaches, lawsuits, and more. Here are common crises and how to manage them. First up, system breakdown. If your system crashes, it can cause delays and unhappy customers. This may hurt your sales and reputation. Contact Amazon for technical support and keep your customers informed about the situation and expected resolution time. Next is data breaches. Leaking customer information can result in a loss of trust and legal consequences. Invest in strong security tools to reduce the risks. However, if a data breach does happen, inform Amazon and your customers immediately. Follow the advice of legal experts. Then there's service discontinuation. If your service goes offline due to technical issues or others, it leaves customers hanging and can hurt your business. When this happens, you should report the issue to Amazon for help. At the same time, communicate with customers, letting them know that you're working on the issues. Negative reviews are the major concerns of the customer service team. These can seriously damage your business, especially on Amazon, where reviews impact rankings. To avoid negative reviews, you should monitor your brand and quickly respond to customer inquiries to help reduce negative feedback. Security issues are also a risk. Even small vulnerabilities can lead to financial losses. Follow Amazon security guidelines, conduct regular audits, and inform Amazon and your customers if an issue occurs. One of the most critical issues for online business is supply chain disruptions, such as stock shortages or delayed deliveries. This can impact customer satisfaction and your listing ranking. Always have backup suppliers and keep a safety stock. Lawsuits can arise from customer complaints, product issues, or contract disagreements. To avoid potential lawsuits, make sure you're following all regulations and consult legal experts when needed. Stay in touch with the opposing party to gather all necessary information. It's not often, but inappropriate employee actions can cause you trouble, such as improper communication or data leaks. If this happens, launch an employee investigation and reassure your customers. During peak times, customer inquiries may surge, overwhelming your team and causing delays. To manage this, hire extra staff during busy periods and use automated tools like chatbots for routine inquiries. Finally, market turbulence, like economic downturns or increased competition, can affect your profits. Regular market analysis will help you stay flexible, allowing you to adjust pricing or strategies as needed. Cross-departmental coordination in customer service is essential for delivering a seamless experience. When a customer has an issue, it often requires collaboration between multiple teams, whether it's supply chain, IT, sales, or marketing. Effective communication ensures that each department plays its role in solving problems efficiently while keeping the customer informed. This synergy not only resolves issues faster, but also helps teams share insights to improve products, services, and overall customer satisfaction. A unified approach across departments turns good service into exceptional service. Thank you for watching our video on the standard procedure for outstanding customer service. By following these steps, you can create a consistent and positive shopping experience for your customers. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to us and see you next time.